Well, it's my first shot. Walk with Tom with the commentary. Got the old lavalier mic on, see how it goes. Get some feedback from you guys. It's a nice, sunny, crisp, cold day in Vancouver in this winter time. And that's a rare treat to get some sunshine, believe me. David Duchovny wasn't lying when he said it rains here a lot in the wintertime. So when the sun comes out, whether I'm feeling like it or not, I'm going for a walk. Shoot you guys another video. Today's treat is Commercial Drive. I just left Commercial and Broadway. A very busy intersection. Big SkyTrain station here at the Big T. Lots of people getting on, getting off, going downtown. Or heading back out to the suburbs. Either way, it's busy. Now, Commercial Drive is what used to be known as the main zone for Little Italy. Big Italian community here, but nowadays, pretty well every culture you can think of on the planet is in here. Every thought paradigm, philosophy, political, otherwise, you'll find it on Commercial Drive. And it's also a great place for food. Tons of little restaurants, Italian, Caribbean, African. You get the whole gambit here. It's definitely the apex of good coffee in Vancouver too. Just to come down here just for that. Got the SkyTrain heading downtown. Seems to be fairly packed today, Friday. I don't know why. Most people in this town don't seem like they got a regular job. Roads are always busy. People always out roaming around. It's like nobody works 9 to 5 in this town. Either they're independently wealthy, and I wish they would show me how to get it done, because I like to join that jet set. Yes, Commercial Drive in the summertime, man. They got a couple of festivals, street festivals. They shut down the whole thing. Just packed. Good food, music, people watching galore, to say the least. Man, it's funny how many strange looks you get in this town just walking around with a selfie stick. I mean, you got people with 800 bolts in their face that don't get looks like the ones I get. But that's life, man. Everything is up and it's down. Oh yeah, I forgot. Commercial Drive was one of the first places to have a lot of weed shops, cannabis shops, dispensaries. Yeah, now that it's legal, it's spread out all over town. But man, this was the zone for that for the longest time. Man, it's cold today, guys. And I don't want to use a glove in case I got to do some technical adjustments on the fly. Oh yeah, plenty of produce shops, food shops on here for take home. Right here, old JJ Bean, man. Love this place. It's got some of the best muffins I've ever had. The top part's almost as big as a baseball hat. It's literally a meal on its own for like $3. You can't beat that. You definitely get all kinds of characters down here too. I mean, all kinds. Straight, doped up, whatever. It don't seem to matter. And it's got a real eclectic, what do you say, hip vibe. You got everything down here. Counterculture, culture, seniors, young people, students, The whole gambit can be found on Commercial Drive of life in Vancouver. Well, I forgot. They got a lot of good pizza down here too. Oh, new coffee shop, baby. I gotta check that out. Man, it's been a while since I've been here. There's a lot of new stores popping up. Yeah, I hope this mic thing goes good. You guys like it. I think it adds a different feel to the whole video thing. Guys, let me know down below if I should go back to making silent movies for you. Like I said, as I get used to doing this, I'm sure it'll all get a lot better. Try to inject some of my personality into the walk. Oh yeah, here we go. Cafe Prado. It's owned by a friend of mine. Well, known him since he was 19. Used to be Canadian champion barista a few times with Sammy. Got terrible seats though. Really hard wooden seats. But the coffee is fantastic. They have their own roaster in town, so you know the beans are fresh as hell. Here we go, here we go. I've had the pizza in here. We got 10 different kinds. There's another one right next door too. Buy the slice, pretty good, man. Pretty good. If you're a poor guy starving for a snack, and that's the way to go. Man. Oh. Here's another change. This used to be a Starbucks, man. When I was here last time. Wow. Things change in a flash. There you go. There's an Italian cafe right there. Used to be nothing but down here. I forgot to mention there's a couple of pubs. You can get something to eat, get some craft beers. Don't forget about that. The nice thing about the Commercial Drive walk is it's not very long. You can see a fair bit of stuff, sample a bit of stuff in a short order. Whoa! Man, those things are noisy. Them little homemade motorcycle, I like to call them. Garbage can on wheels. Oh, I was wrong. About there, that was a new coffee shop, but this is the Starbucks that got shut down. Man, these guys are shooting themselves in the foot. Oh man, I just got a big whiff of somebody smoking a little green. Whew, I used to hate that smell, but now that I've been using CBD, I'm kind of used to it. Oh, the old red burrito. Been here forever. Never tried it because I ain't a spicy food kind of guy, but man, everybody that I know says it's good stuff. The El Mercado. So it was an Italian shopping market. I don't know if it's still going because of all the stuff in the world, but it used to be pretty busy. Yeah, they've even got a Tim Hortons here. I don't know about you, but I don't come to Little Italy to get a coffee at Tim Hortons. I can do that anywhere else. It's like going to Rome and going to Starbucks. Why bother, man? Gotta live a little. Experiment. Yeah, it's a nice little walk, but much better safe for the summertime. I just picked a weird time of year to start my walking channel, but that's the way I operate. I'm the kind of guy who opens a car lot with no cars. What's even worse is I started a computer business with no computer. Now that one's killer. I'm gonna have to write a book, 1001 Things What Not to Do, and save everybody a fortune that's trying to make money online. I've made every mistake. So, hopefully, Walk with Tom is gonna help me out. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you haven't done already. I'd appreciate that, man. Every YouTuber does. It helps with the algorithm, all kinds of stuff. One of the reasons I wanted to make this thing is there's a lot of people that can't travel. They read about Vancouver, they can never come here, they're in a wheelchair, in a hospital, not coming out. It just allows them to get a real life experience of walking through the streets. Seniors and shut-ins, people in care homes, other parts of Canada, the world. Someone's just showed them all these videos where they can walk the streets of the world. That's awesome. That's how I got started. I found these other guys in New York and other places that I've never been to. It's so cool because it's not like some high slicked out, state or province funded video showing all the good only and flashy music in the background. So yeah, that's why I wanted to get Walk with Tom going. People are always telling me to make videos of one kind or another, so I've got other channels coming. So like I said, I hope this mic is working, man. It's my first, I'm a mic virgin no more on the Walk with Tom. I lost my microphone virginity on Commercial Drive. Not a bad place to do it on a sunny day. Yeah, we're coming up on the end of the walk here. Commercial Drive does go a lot farther down, but once you pass the park, there ain't too much to look at. And then around the corner, it turns into kind of like an instant industrial zone. So, yeah, most people ain't traveling to Vancouver to check out the industrial scene. Unless it's in a nightclub. Oh, here's the old park.
Yeah? Everything good. Yeah.
Yeah, this park gets busy in the summertime. Whoop. Busy in the summertime with a lot of weed smokers and other people and ghetto blasters playing tunes. over there, that little coffee shop here, I'll show you. See that Church Coffee? I had some of the best regular coffee I've ever had in there. Problem is, again, seating. A lot of these places, the seats are horrible. Either there's not enough or they're hard as a rock. Oh, get a little shot of the downtown skyline here, yeah. And all the leaves are gone. It's not bad, man. You can see the North Shore, some of the mountains. Oh, I've never seen it like that. Then again, I don't come down here when it's freezing that often. Oh. Maybe I'll take a few more steps. But just after here, yeah, next block or so, it kind of peters out. Portuguese Club. Joe's Continental Cafe. That thing's been there forever. Look at how old the sign is. Oh, man. Oh, pigeon drop. Like I said, you got the whole world down on Commercial Drive. You got Portuguese, you got an Indian restaurant, and you got a vegan restaurant. You got a hamburger joint called the Cannibal Cafe. You got all kinds of meat eater stuff. It's perfect, man. You're not going to run out of choices down here. You get fat coming to Commercial Drive in one day. Yeah, all right, I'm going to end it at Napier Street. The inaugural video with the commentary by yours truly, old Tom, the old guy from Walk with Tom. Nice spot to take a little coffee break. I like some of these old buildings too, man. I wouldn't mind popping up in a penthouse suite or a top floor suite down here. Check it out. So, yep. That's it for today's shot, guys.
Yeah, actually, I might grab one of those too. Those aren't. That's
remember
not
to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like what you see. See you in the next walk, and it's coming soon. Take care, guys.